Hello students, I am Dr. Harpreet Singh and I represent Team Conceptual Orthopedics. Today, as we celebrate the 5th anniversary of Conceptual Orthopedics, I feel proud, honored and privileged all at the same time. Looking at this surreal journey of 5 years, 5 years ago when we set out to build this platform, our aim was to create a learning platform which will help students become the best version of themselves and to create a platform which will outlive our lives. And today I can proudly say that we have come a good way in achieving that task. But yes, I still know that it's miles to go before we sleep. So we still have to reach better heights, conquer many fronts. But as I look back at these 5 years, some points come to my mind and I like to share with you all. Number one, to achieve or to be successful in our life, we need the blessings and guidance of our parents, our teachers and our seniors. And Conceptual Orthopedics has been blessed that our seniors and our teachers have always guided us and always blessed us and have been there to hold our hands and tell us how to go and what to do. Secondly, if we dream and work on our dreams, we can really achieve something. And this is what Conceptual Orthopedics has told me, has taught me, that we dreamt of creating a learning platform for our students, and we have been quite successful at doing that. Third, amazing things happen when friends come together. I still remember 5 years ago, me, Apurv and Dr. Ashish Taneja were sitting in a room and we thought of an idea of Conceptual Orthopedics and worked together towards it along with all other friends, our teachers. And today we know we have created something. So extraordinary things come true when friends come together. Fourth, today we feel humbled and grateful for the faith and the love all our students have bestowed upon us. Without your faith and love, we couldn't have achieved anything in this, what we have achieved up till now. Lastly, along this journey of 5 years, we lost a few teachers, a few friends, namely Dr. Shekhar Agarwal sir, Dr. Gopakumar sir, and a dear friend, Dr. Minal Sharma. But we know that all three of them are guiding us, are blessing us from the heaven above, and their principles in life will continue to guide us in what we create next for our students. So students, I'd like to again thank you for believing in us, for loving us so much, and I promise that we'll continue to work hard to make this platform an even better platform and to help you become the best version of yourselves so that you can excel in your career. Thank you very much.